In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Cc and Bcc in Outlook. Before we click anything, let's quickly clarify what these fields mean so you can choose the right one with confidence. Cc, or carbon copy, is used to keep people visibly in the loop. Everyone on the email can see who was copied, which is great for team updates where follow-up replies might be relevant to the whole group. Bcc, or blind carbon copy, hides recipients from each other. It's ideal for bulk messages, announcements, or newsletters where you want to protect privacy and prevent long reply all chains. Let's jump in. Start by opening Outlook and clicking New Email to create a new message. You'll see the To and Cc fields by default, but sometimes the Bcc field is hidden. To reveal it, go to the Options tab at the top of the message window and click Bcc or Show Bcc, depending on your version. Once you turn it on, the Bcc field will appear beneath Cc and will stay available for future messages until you hide it again. Now set up your recipients. Use the To field for the primary person or people who need to act or respond. Use Cc for those who should be informed and aware of the conversation but aren't expected to reply. Use Bcc when you need to discreetly copy recipients without exposing their addresses to others. This is especially helpful when emailing a large group, sharing sensitive distribution lists, or avoiding reply all clutter. Keep in mind that people on Bcc can still reply to you. Their responses will come directly to your inbox, not to everyone. Compose your message as you normally would. Add a clear subject line that reflects the purpose of the email, and write a concise, respectful body. If you're CCing others for visibility, you can add a brief note like, copying the team for awareness, to make your intent clear. Before sending, take a moment to double-check your recipient list. Make sure anyone who needs to take action is in To, anyone who needs visibility is in Cc, and anyone who should remain private is in Bcc. This quick review helps avoid miscommunication and protects privacy. When everything looks good, click Send. Outlook will deliver your message with the Cc list visible to all recipients and the Bcc list hidden, just as intended. That's it, simple and effective. With a clear understanding of To, Cc, and Bcc, you'll communicate more professionally, reduce noisy threads, and keep your recipients' information safe. Thanks for watching.